Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Funtap routine for you that's good for all levels. If you want an added challenge, all you have to do is speed it up and reverse it. So grab those tap shoes and let's get started. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, to begin, we're going to start with a paradiddle. So, dig, spank, toe, heel, dig, spank, toe, heel. Then you're going to go dig, spank, shuffle, toe, heel, slap. So once again, paradiddle, paradiddle, dig, spank, shuffle, toe, heel, slap. And that 8 count from the back will look like this. And sped up a little bit faster. Alright, moving on from there, you're going to do a cramp roll. Right, left, toe, toe, heel, heel. Then you're going to dig those heels into the ground, out, out, in. So your counts are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From here, you're going to shuffle step. 5 and 6. You're going to fall out, heel, heel with that back heel first. And 7 and 8. So that last 8 count is cramp roll. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And piecing that together from the beginning, starting with that paradiddle. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And facing the back, nice and slow. 1 and 2. And one more time, just a little bit faster. 6, 7, 8. All right, moving on from there, you're going to ball change into a double pickup. And 1, you're going to do that double pickup. And 2, you're going to do 2 heels, right, left, 2 toes, right, left. And 3 and 4. So your counts are and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From here you're going to riff through 5 and 6. Heel, toe, toe, heel. So it's a slight variation of a riff. So you're riffing through 5 and heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. So that last 8 count, you ball change. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, toe, heel. And a little bit faster. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that last 8 count facing the back, you ball change. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Alright, let's go ahead and piece that together from the beginning, starting with that paradiddle. 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Shuffle, step, fall out, heel, heel, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Alright, and facing the back slow from that beginning. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. So heel. And one more time, just a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and to finish this routine, we have one more 8 count. We just did our toe heel. You're gonna shuffle, scuffle. Shuffle, scuffle. From there, you're gonna full lap, heel, heel. Full lap. We're gonna do our front heel first this time. Heel, heel. You're gonna spank it. You're gonna full lap, heel, heel again. Full lap, heel, heel. Spank, and then toe to finish it. So you're going shuffle, scuffle, full lap, heel, heel, spank, full lap, heel, heel, spank, toe. And one more time, just a little bit faster. 6, 7, 8, and a shuffle, scuffle, full lap, heel, heel, spank, full lap, heel, heel, spank, toe. And that last 8 count facing the back, nice and slow. Shuffle, scuffle, full lap, heel, heel, spank, full lap, heel, heel, spank, toe. And one more time, just a little faster. 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, scuffle, full lap, heel, heel, spank, full lap, heel, heel, spank, toe. All right, now let's piece that all together from the beginning, nice and slow. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and toe, heel, out. Cramp, roll, out, out, and in. Shuffle, step, full lap, heel, heel, ball change, double pick up, heel, heel, toe, toe. Riff, walk, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, scuffle, full lap, heel, heel, spank, full lap, heel, heel, spank, toe. And nice and slow, facing the back from the beginning. 6, 7, 8. All right, and a little bit faster from the beginning. 6, 7, 8. And faster facing the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. And sped up a little bit more for those of you that are more advanced. 5, 6, 7, 8. And once again, sped up. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys, it is now time to piece that together with the music. Good luck, try your best, and remember, if you want to add a challenge, just go ahead and speed it up. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed that top combo. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below for fresh new videos every week.